This year is Discovery Middle School's second year of total one-to-one implementation. Each of the 670 students at Discovery have their own laptop. 6th and 7th graders utilize a Chromebook, and the 8th graders have a MacBook. In year 2, students and staff viewed the laptops less as a novelty and more as a tool to maximize learning opportunities. Students are using these tools to shift from mere consumers of content to producers of content.
With the implementation of one-to-one at Discovery Middle School, we have seen a shift in how our building space has been utilized, which has been fun to witness. You will see students all over the building, not just in their classrooms learning. We have students in the LMC, students in the hallway. We have a bird cage now, and students go in there to collaborate on projects. We have green screens now around the school that students are using for presentations in broadcast and other classes.
I've seen actually a lot of changes. One that I really like is that kids can go around the building. I often send them to the LMC to work collaboratively out in the hall, just to give them some space so that they can work on their own. And one of my favorite things also is that I have my website where I post all of my daily assignments. So when they're home, if they're sick, or they can keep up with work, and they can also collaborate with students if they're in the middle of working on a project like we are right now. I've had students actually get on a shared document or project and work even though they're at home sick.
We have also seen a shift in how students learn with the implementation of one-to-one. It has been wonderful to see students using their devices to create different projects. They are redesigning the LMC right now in one class. We had several classes involved in creating a coffee shop, and they were able to use their computers to come up with a proposal to share with members of the faculty. Again, green screen, students are using that to come up with wonderful broadcasts to share with the school.
Since I know how to use iMovie, my parents are making me they're making me put it together myself. So I have to put the films from the quinceañera into the iMovie and then add music and stuff. And I used iMovie to add pictures for a slideshow during the quinceañera.
In ELA this year, we were reading books in our book groups, and then we made trailers in iMovie for the books that we were reading, and it really just helped that I took broadcasting, so then I was able to carry over my editing skills and my knowledge of iMovie to make that trailer.
And then they took a topic that they found interesting in any of the classes that they had so far this year, and then they expanded on that topic to create their project. And then instead of just showing the class that, they then turned it into a video by using either Screencastify or WeVideo or some other kind of outlet. Again, they could decide what they wanted to use and get it approved, and then they turned that into an actual movie of themselves presenting their project, and then that's what we showed to the rest of the class.
Discovery staff and students will continue to innovate and maximize the opportunities available as a result of each student having their own laptop.